Hi everyone, it's Sue Knott, Education Specialist with Minnesota Agriculture in the Classroom. It is officially summer at our house. My daughters Marie and Alyssa finish up the school year, and it's June, which is National Dairy Month. So to celebrate the end of the school year and to celebrate Dairy Month, we visited the Midwest Dairy Association's webpage and picked out 2 smoothies that we're going to try this morning. So Maria, what kind of smoothie did you want to make?
I chose to make a banana caramel smoothie.
All right, banana caramel smoothie. So the first ingredient is...
You pour milk, and you take 2 cups of milk and put it into your blender.
All right, 2 cups of milk, one of our favorite dairy products.
Then you take 2 peeled and sliced bananas and put them into the milk.
And we froze ours for just a little bit, thinking that might make our smoothie even more tasty.
Yeah.
All right, and a final ingredient is...
A 1/4 cup of caramel into the blender.
All right, so while that caramel is oozing out, Alyssa chose a different recipe. What did you want to make, Alyssa?
A chocolate berry smoothie.
Chocolate berry smoothie. So the first ingredient in that one is...
5 ounces of yogurt.
All right, and we use vanilla. I think you could use whatever flavor you wanted, but we had just plain vanilla yogurt. So that's our first ingredient, our first dairy product. All right, next, what do we have?
And then you want to add 1 cup of chocolate milk.
A cup of chocolate milk. Second dairy product. All right, that is looking delicious. The final thing we need in our smoothie is...
1 cup of frozen berries. I chose just strawberries.
Strawberries. Yeah, you could choose blueberries, raspberries, but we just have straight strawberries. Okay, we're gonna put the lids on our blenders. We wanna make sure they get really tight so we don't have any explosions. Okay, are we ready to blend?
Yes.
All right, go for it. All right, let's stop. All right, we are gonna pour a little bit into a glass. So this is our chocolate berry smoothie and our caramel banana smoothie.
Banana caramel smoothie.
All right. All right, come in here closer to me, girls. How do they taste?
Good.
Good? How about, yes, all right. Well, cheers to Dairy Month. Thank you to all those dairy farmers working hard. Enjoy some smoothies. Check out some dairy recipes at Midwest Dairy Association, and check out Minnesota Agriculture in the Classroom for some dairy educational resources. Have a great summer and a great June.